Question number 11, statistics problem, and we're giving a table that's grouped the amount of snowfall by frequency, and this is snowfall in Toronto. Write down the modal class. Well, what class had the most? And it is 32. So the modal class, you don't write down the number, you write down the class, 14 to 18. Write down the mid-interval value for the class of 6 to 10. And so basically you're just having to write down what this halfway between 6 and 10. And obviously they're giving you this question B to guide your thinking into calculating the estimate mean of the annual snowfall. And this you'll want to put into your calculator, probably the quickest way to do it. But what you have to remember is you're going to use the mid-interval value for each frequency. So above here, I'm just going to write down what these are. And so there's my list 1, there's my list 2. Put that into my calculator and it will calculate the mean. And so we take a moment to do that. First thing I need to do is go into stats and enter the list, which I've already done. And again, I'm using the mid-interval value, and there are the frequencies. And now I'm ready to calculate stat. I have 2 lists, but again, this is one variable because I only measured one thing, and that's the snowfall. And so then when I go in here, I do have a frequency list in list 2, which will be second, number 2, inserts list 2, and then I'll have it calculate. And there we can see that our mean is 14.70, so 14.7. 14.7 to 3 significant figures. And then find the number of years, which now snowfall was at least 18. And so over here it's 18 or bigger, so at least 18 are those 3 numbers added together, and that's going to end up being 59. And we're finished with this question.